Hi guys, I'm Marian from electroschematics.com, and this video I want to talk about breadboards. Here I have a small size breadboard I usually use with the Arduino board, and here I have a bigger one that can be used for more complex circuits. Usually the breadboard looks like this, and the electrical connections inside of it are made just like that, like this schematic. As you can see, the top horizontal lines are connected like this, and the vertical ones like this. So if you memorize this schematic, is pretty simple then to connect the circuits on the breadboard. Here, for example, I have connected a simple circuit, an LED and a resistor from plus to ground, and when I insert power in the Arduino board, the LED comes on. It's quite simple. The schematic looks something like this. So I have applied ground minus 5 volts here to the top horizontal line, 5 volt plus 5 volts here, and because there is an electrical connections between all these pins, these holes in the breadboard, I can provide 5 volts plus 5 volts to the anode of the LED through this resistor, and ground or minus to the cathode, and the LED will turn on, of course. Let me show you how the clips are looking like, the metal clips inside the breadboard. So they are like this, and one problem that might occur when you are using breadboards is that these metal clips spread apart too much, and then when you insert a component inside of it, it will remain like that, and it won't make a good connection, and you'll find yourself asking why the circuit is not working. So here I have a box with jumper wires that you need to have when you are using breadboards, because these jumper wires will allow you to make connections between different terminals from the breadboard. Without these jumper wires, you cannot build circuits on a breadboard. So these are the wires. So the short ones, but you can also use flexible jumper wires when you want to make connections, longer connections, or when you want to connect, for example, the Arduino board to your circuit in different places. And the last thing that I want to talk about is about this middle line. This line has no connection, as you can see. Here you can connect integrated circuits, just like that. So now the pins, the top pins of the integrated circuit are connected like this, and the bottom ones like that. And look, some terminals remained stuck on the plastic. And guys, if you want to learn more about the breadboards, I will post a link below this video to the article where I wrote more info. There I will place some interesting photos and explain different complex circuits and how to connect them on the breadboard. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to click on the link below this video to learn more about the breadboards. Thank you very much. Bye bye.